Every finance creator keeps saying, bro, just buy ETFs. Cool. But nobody actually explains what that means. So if you're in college, you finally saved your first 500 rupees or 1000 rupees. And investing feels like everyone else got a cheat sheet except you. This is the video you needed. Take a second to imagine your college canteen. Instead of buying one samosa, one juice, one sandwich, and one brownie separately, you buy the combo meal. One payment. You get a little bit of everything. That's literally an ETF. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Instead of buying shares of just one company, an ETF buys a whole collection of companies. So with one investment, you automatically own tiny pieces of dozens or sometimes hundreds of companies. Less effort, less stress, more diversification. Let's say you buy one company's stock. If that company has a terrible year, your investment takes a hit. Now imagine instead you own India's biggest 50 companies. Maybe one company struggles, but the other 49 keep doing their thing. That's why ETFs are usually less risky than betting everything on one stock. It's basically saying, I'm not trying to guess tomorrow's winner, I'll own the whole team. For beginners, that's actually a pretty smart strategy. This is especially useful if you're a university student in India who's just starting with a few hundred or a few thousand rupees. Because let's be honest, most of us don't have time to analyze balance sheets between assignments, internships, and exams. An ETF lets you start investing without needing to become a stock market expert first. You can learn while your money is already in the game. So the next time someone says, just buy an ETF, now you know what they're actually talking about. It's not a magic investment. It's just one simple way to own a small piece of a lot of companies instead of gambling on one. And for most beginners, that's usually a much better place to start.